Oye, regular de cosas que esas páginas no se There is a house in New Orleans. They call the rising sun. And it's been the ruin of many poor girls that I know. If I had listened what my mama said, I had been born today. But being young, being foolish, I let my rambler lead me astray. My mama was a sailor, so your own blue jeans when they were new. My sweetheart was a drunkard, drinking down in New Orleans. Was a young girl, I used to seek pleasure. When I was a young girl, I used to drink. But out of the alehouse, I got into the jailhouse. My body ruined, and I am here to pay. 16 pretty maidens will carry my coffin. 16 pretty maidens all sing me their song. Bunches of roses all over my body, so that I look pretty as I walk alone. Children, not do what I have done. That house of sweet and misery.